The number of confirmed deaths has passed 200. The governor has called a state of emergency.
There are hundreds and hundreds of bodies lining the streets.
Panic spread worldwide after a leaked report from the World Health Organization showed that the latest vaccination tests have failed.
With the bureaucrats out of power, we can finally take the necessary steps.
Los Angeles is now the latest city to be placed under martial law. All residents are required to report to their designated quarantine. Riots have continued for a third consecutive day, and winter rations are at an all-time low.
A group calling themselves the Fireflies have claimed responsibility for both.
So hello guys, welcome to our channel. Here we are with Project UberX. Go subscribe to his channel. Today we are exploring abandoned places. Okay, it is a proper building built by government for the slums, but due to something I don't know why it was closed in 2010, and from then it is purely abandoned. And here we are exploring this view. Currently we are inside the building. There's one more Mitra here with us. So currently we are inside the building. So guys, just subscribe our channel. We are going to give you more exciting videos. We have more projects coming, so be on our channel, subscribe, press the bell notification for our latest videos. Don't miss our next videos. Yes guys, we are going inside. Let's go, brother.
Why that's so creepy?
What creepy, brother? What are you doing? Wait. Oh, see shit. No. Let's go. First you. Brother, help me. Wait. Let's go. Let's go, brother. No. Guys, you can see the buildings are there. They're just going up. Wait. Okay, nothing. I think I heard someone say, "Oi." Let's go, guys. It is very. I have seen videos in that it has been shown that there are many snakes here. So we have to be extra careful. That's why we have wear jeans. Otherwise, yes, brother. Let's go. So that's why we have to wear jeans. And see, my other partner, he's wearing full clothes like jeans and all. Let's go. Guys, you can see it was started by government for the poor people, but it was closed in 2010. I don't know why, but it was closed in 2010 due to something I don't know. Well, government don't do good things like so we are here exploring the place. Want to say something?
I think we go to from there.
From
There
here?
is no route. No route.
Oh shit! We have to climb.
Come.
Let's go. Brother, how phone? Oh, first. Yes,
First you come.
you go first.
Come first.
Yes, brother, you have to go. Surya will help you. Just put your one leg. The hold. Let's go, brother. Let's go. I think we should go more.
So I'm the last. Okay.
You are going last.
Yep. I'm the lighter one. You both.
Okay.
Both can grab me and come.
Okay. Brother.
No. Shoot.
So you can see this whole place is completely abandoned. You can see. Let's first help him. Come on, bro.
Hey, give me that.
Okay.
One. Let me wait. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Yeah. Let's go. We are in. Yeah. Just got a coal. You can see it's fully abandoned. Like nothing is there. Just spider webs and all. Brother, what the fuck is this? It was a kind of pet garden. Yeah. Okay. Maybe some dog. We can see that. Let's go, brother. Let's go top. We have to take thumbnail also in this area. We need to go that way. That way? Because there are some factories. Oh shit. There's a factory. My phone is going backwards. Let's go. He's shooting his own video. We are here. Oh, we are going on. Oh, I thought you are on top. This like is fully abandoned. You can see like things there. We have to be extra careful just because there are factories and all. And yes, it is very dangerous place. So I recommend you not to come alone for people of Delhi because it is a like very rich area. There has been so much murders happen here, and thieves also are there. So be careful and don't bring girls with you. Okay, that's a very risky area. See that? Let's go. Left side. Left building. Go to left of this. So guys, we are not going on the top. We will go on the other building because this is just the shortest. We are finding the tallest building here.
Front one.
Middle one actually. Brother, we have to take no, not here. Not from here. Maybe. Yeah. There are stairs. We have to go here. This is the back side of. That's the front side, brother. This is the back side. We have entered from back side. Fuck. Let's go. We are just exploring all the things. Thank you. That's good. We have to be extra careful here. No. What happened? Sideways. Sideways the room. What is this? The row. So, okay. Now we have to find an area for a proper thumbnail. Wait. What? Sorry. I didn't saw that guy. It's fully densed. Its abundance is 2010. Real explorer. Oh sorry. Brother, come. Oh, it's frog there. No signals? Shit, man. I have. We cross. Brother, we have to be extra careful right here. Many more branches. Shit, brother. There is no way inside. No. We need to jump from the window. From where? From there. So let's go from there. It's very dense here. We cannot take risk. Yes, that's why. Let's go back, guys. It's very dangerous because of it's a rainy season and they said that there are a bunch of snakes, like venomous snakes, not ordinary ones. What the fuck are these? No, go. Hey. No. Let's find another way from here. Let's go. You go first, then give me a hand. Fuck, man. You got stuck in a branch, man. Wait. Let me. Let's go. What? Pinch in your ass?
That's a fucked up boy. Let's go. Now
help. No. It's not that. Brother. What? Give me your stick. Which stick?
Take my stick.
Wait. What the fuck? Which? Thank you. In the back. No, I can. Because I think we eventually cross that branches. Because there are no roots. No, so we have to jump from the buildings then. Also,
But we can't jump from where?
Oh, do a photo shoot, man. Let's go.
Brother,
Little bit edit and it will be good. Yes, brother.
shoot me.
Oh shit. Go, 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 go.
Now we going on the exploration.
Go guys, subscribe this channel of him also. Oh fuck.
Is he dead?
Too high.
Is he dead?
Bro, that's too high for me.
No.
No, that ain't high, brother.
Bro, for me it's high.
Come from next.
Okay. Let's go. Come here.
There are something to stand on.
Which? From this one. Brother.
Yeah. This one.
Oh, brother.
No, not this.
Middle one. What the fuck is in there? What the fuck, brother?
Wait a second.
There's too much spider here.
Okay.
Give me a stick, brother.
No.
Brother, there are. We need stick because of the spider webs.
Oh.
There's just too much of them.
Damn.
Damn, brother.
Cool down.
Cool, brother.
down,
Cool.
bitch.
Bas. That's good. Yes. Oh, brother.
Stop.
Shoot.
Now camera in my hands.
Let's go.
First beach has come, and second are going, and yo,
Let's go, brother.
and this is our next beach.
Advantage of weight loss.
No, that's our way.
No, I'm talking about myself. I lose 10 kilos of my weight. See this. My mom is going to scold me very tightly. Brother, I think we should take a thumbnail here. Kyun? We should take a thumbnail here. Bro is doing a full on machete thing.
और बाकी you are in the but अभी देखते हैं रास्ता है तो ये जंगल है पूरा किधर जाएंगे किधर ही जाएंगे वो वहाँ लगा पड़ा है अकेला भाई कम ऑन ब्रदर हम भी हैं
Let's go. Brother, we should take thumbnail here or further? ले लिया भाई.
Yeah,
We have to take thumbnail here or further? Further. Come. We'll go in deep.
next layer of the building.
Let's go. Brother. Yeah.
We take thumbnail in middle.
Okay. Just beware of these snakes. It is also. Oh shit, man! Do it again. Nice one. He is making way for us. Wait, I have to also be extra careful about. What the fuck? I am very happy that my hair is not long. Fuck. Let's go. Beware.
That's why I take a stick, brother. That's why I take a stick.
Full hunt mode. Now we are the full length.
That's why I tell you.
Brother, now we are.
Now go.
Just keep an hour.
हम बहुत गलत रास्ते जा रहे हैं
Yeah, that's why.
अंदर होते भी जा सकते थे
अंदर होते जाना पड़ेगा.
Brother, it will be a very long. Brother, you are wearing a jeans. What?
Animal root.
Animal?
Yeah. This is the animal root, brother.
Okay, now we have. Oh, brother. No. See that pitch. Oh, it's fully abandoned, guys. See, like no one is here. We can only find small animals, or if we don't want to see them, just like criminals. I don't want them. Oh, we are found.
Yes.
Bro, come, brother. Let's go. Oh, what a pit. Oh, there's a pool right there.
Yep, bath in that.
No.
Bro, this is the tallest building.
This is the tallest building?
Yeah.
I think that's one.
No, बराबर.
Let's go then. Let's see. Oof. No, let's go. We are going up. Let's go. Ah, there are more buildings. Let's go see from other side. What the fuck? There. Oh. Whoa. Full view. Oi. Full view of zombie apocalypse. Full view. Let's see this. Hear the sound. Oh, let's go. Have to extra. Guys, if we get minimum, how much like guys? Hey brother,
1000 likes.
how much like to bag with EMF meter? We are going to.
Like if we are going to get 1000 likes, we will come here with an EMF meter and check if there are any ghosts or something here.
Yes, just give us 1000 like and bunch of subscribers.
Like guys, do it.
Just 1000 like, just 1000 like. Not more than that. Oh, we are going up, we are going up, we are going up. We have to be extra careful about those things. Just because it's a very old building. But I think this one is what we say. What? Oh man, what a view. Pure zombie apocalypse vibe. Whew. First we will. Oh, he's scared. We have to do photo shoot also in the hallways. It will be fun. And see. Let's go more top.
We are not even the third layer of this infrastructure.
What the fuck? We are so high, brother.
That's the middle.
Oh, no boundaries.
We can't go.
See how big this is.
I think
Be careful on the edges.
let's go.
Top to top. We have to be careful.
All roof are connected.
Yeah.
That's terrible.
See this. How high we are. Yeah. See. Those buildings have boundaries on them. You see that there are boundaries. We have to be careful because we are on top. Anyone can see us, like from the metro and from any place. So we have to be.
Somebody sees us, we are going to.
We are fucked. If somebody sees, we are fucked.
Maybe so we are raped because we are in India, brother.
Yeah.
Maybe so.
That's. Yeah. We
Because
can't say-
not even boys are safe in the India.
Yeah, we can't say anything about that. Oh, well, that's good. We don't have to take long routes. We are just roaming on the rooftops.
There are small park in the middle of there.
Can we go there?
Can we go there? No.
No. I'm just seeing.
After crossing.
Brother, don't come near me, okay? I'm very. See. That's something. Okay, let's go. So guys, we have taken some rest. Now we are going further. Okay, so just let's go. We are just. First of all, it's very hot today. I don't know why. Yesterday there was rain also, but I don't know why. See, you can see how intense sunlight is. He is doing his just fixing the self-defense stick. That will help us to come across here. Now let's see. I'm going to show you this place. That is how peace it is here. Just listen. Nothing sound. See, like how peace we have here. Let's go. So let's go further. Are you ready, brother?
Let's go, brother.
Are you ready?
No.
Let's go. So let's go, guys. We are good to go. We have taken
We haven't
rest.
left something, right?
No. I've taken your bag. But your bag is very dirty. Just, you have taken everything now?
We have that.
Yeah.
Okay. See that I'm talking about rain yesterday. What happened?
Mask on, let's go.
Let's go. We have the mask on. No one is here. We are safe. We are good to go. Let's go. Guys, subscribe to the channel. We are going to more places like this. Okay. And yes, the more English. We have very bad English, guys.
Very bad English.
Yes, brother.
I'm seeing some British accent here.
Nice.
Please don't ruin that.
Let's go. Guys, remember we have to also take a thumbnail.
You know, guys, we can get rich here. In these walls there are wires, so if we can extract those wires, we are going to reach through setting off.
What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Roots?
There are rooms, there are wires, there are some metal.
Yes, we are going to fuck him.
If we going to connect them, we are going to get awesome.
We are going to fuck him here.
We are working from there.
From there?
Guys,
Again, we have to
these
do a
people are
part.
going to fuck. No.
Yeah, no. You have said yourself. Yes, we have to fuck him, brother.
No, man.
What?
Don't fuck around here.
High? High or normal?
Brother, why is this soil wet?
Yes, brother.
Whose mama did this?
Yesterday there was rain. I said.
Come.
Oh, that's not so high.
Somebody's mom did that.
That's not.
It's on front camera.
You, bro.
Let's go.
Right here. Yeah, friends. Come.
Brother.
That's a very deep.
What happened?
We are in the middle of that. I don't show.
Brother.
They are second Khoji. And I don't think we can
Brother, show me.
go. Come.
Wait. I'm not good at these things.
I have got stick here. If some devil come, I'll fuck them.
Wow.
But what if I fucked her?
I'm Jordan, sir. Don't talk to me like that.
Don't.
Brother, you are light, we are heavy.
Yeah. This is.
If we can
No.
go the.
I think we.
Brother, I think you take thumbnail here.
No.
What?
Oh,
Shoot a B-roll. Shoot a B-roll.
ऐसे ऊपर को.
Yeah. Just show this. So we are just waiting for taking. Yeah. Guys, just subscribe our channel. We are just doing for you guys and for our own fun. We have been planning this from since when? From a college first year. Me and him is planning to go on exploration from college first year. Okay. I met him in first year, but not as a good friend. Now he's my best friend. Okay. Let's go. We have taken a B-roll. Done with photos?
Yeah.
You have to take your own photos. Like no. Don't touch that type of things, brother. There are snakes all over here.
If one snake got into your ass now,
You are fucked.
you're fucked. You're cooked. You're
You're
roasted,
fucked.
bitch ass.
Next time we wear exploration pants.
We will bring our tag to tag the place that we have explored.
Ancient footprint.
And yes, brother, guys, subscribe the channel. We want 1,000 likes. We are coming again to ghost hunt here. Okay. Device will enter off screen during the extended campaign. Wait. Oh no. Let's go. What happened? Brother, where we have to take a thumbnail. That's very important for the video. What the fuck you did, brother?
No.
Next place.
He said no, he liked it.
After that building.
So where? From where we have to go in?
From there.
like my part.
From short. It's short, but the window are short.
Let me check.
Just not called short, bitch ass. That's called.
Take the camera over there and see what in there.
Let me. Brother, we have
No, nothing.
nothing. But how can you climb from there?
Nothing. Now we jump over there. First,
He is on
Who is the
full.
first?
He's on full parkour mode.
who is the first?
I am scared as fuck.
But if I am the first,
इस बिल्डिंग में से
You can't pull us up. What?
हम इस बिल्डिंग में से नहीं निकले.
okay.
Oh
No,
No.
there. This is too narrow.
no.
This is too narrow.
We came from
can't.
that. We came from that part.
This is too narrow.
Too narrow. Yes, I was. Look at my size. I cannot fit there, brother.
No, if you fit, we can't.
Pull you out there.
Pull you out,
Pull
bro.
you out, brother.
No, pull you
fuck?
out.
No pulling here.
Mate, brother, we are going to fuck you
This is the
from your ass. He's
Guys, call
traumatized.
911. Mind the police.
Brother, it's India. No 911 work here.
112.
112. Hold this.
Oh my god.
You can climb?
I will try my best.
Maybe.
That fucker is a fucking monkey.
Lightweight, brother.
I am monkey.
You are lightweight, brother. You are heavyweight.
I am monkey.
For there, brother. Fuck.
Bro, I think your storage is going to.
No. That's standby mode.
Okay.
It will record, but in a stand. Oh, I'm following. Come here. You can come.
I can come.
Bro, what the fuck? Hold. Okay. Hold on. I don't know how I'm doing these type of shits because I was not capable of this type of shit.
Come.
I'm.
Yeah.
What?
There is a place.
Nice, but full of
No.
plants.
Come.
What?
Come up.
Let's go up.
When he says come na, you edit this video and add CUM.
What the fuck?
And some watering emojis. Come.
That's a good spot, but it's now fully grown. Guys, see this. It's fully grown. We are trying to reach that part of the buildings.
Why there aren't any snakes down here? Because snakes
I
can't
think-
climb, brother. Snakes
I
can't
think
climb.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
But they.
We have to go
they
there.
can't Crawl.
How can
Crawl
they
from
crawl?
stairs.
How can they crawl here?
No.
You can claw up your
No,
ass.
brother. Actually, snake can crawl over stairs.
One snake has crawled
Nah.
into his ass, guys.
Yeah, brother. That's why I tell you that.
Yeah. Snake can only climb till first floor, not more than that.
I have
Why?
one
He
snake,
has
brother.
asthma.
No, my brother. I don't know that, but
Bro.
they can only
Selfie.
selfie.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be good.
This is a good place for selfie.
Bro.
That.
Nah.
Max me. Go down.
You are going to
You are-
swim?
Surabhai, let's go.
Oh. Right.
What?
See? Short as his D.
But my
Shit, brother.
rock is bigger than yours.
You guys listen? He has a rock. He doesn't have a D. He has a rock.
We are doing stupid things.
Now we climb our.
We know you have dyslexia, bro.
We can climb.
Rooftop,
Go
rooftop.
there. Go there.
Rooftop.
Go there.
Let's go. So now after
Next time
Doing
we
some-
take a weapon.
What?
Because I don't feel.
Good.
brother, open EMF meter on your phone. Let's hunt some ghost.
This is go far.
He's
This is
Fucked
go
up.
far. He said this is go far.
go far.
Ayyo, English, eh? No, Kannada.
Let's go further. Rooftop to rooftop.
Yeah.
But there is one problem, brother.
What?
There is metro station. Anyone can see us. What the fuck?
I thought it is snake attached.
No, brother. That's a very small rope.
Why is it here?
But who has that balls? But who have the balls to
Suck my
come there?
balls.
Police.
Don't tell. Police do nothing, brother.
Police only fast.
Only see us, crow us. This is also good place. Why not we take?
B-roll. We have taken the thumbnail after 3 or 4 takes. It's finally done. So now let's go. Yes, exploring one little more. Then we are going home back. Okay? Because our home is like 1 to 2 hours far from here. Let's go. It's confirmed that this is the way.
Yeah,
Because we can't go further.
we can't go from there.
We can't also go from here.
Sharp. That building.
Oh, guys, it's very dense. We can't go inside. See, this plant actually cuts you. Deep cuts. I have experience. I know. Brother, you fucked it up?
Yeah.
There is plastic.
Yeah.
Plastic.
Yeah.
Let's go, guys. Which building?
That's it.
This building. Let's go. Before going out, we have to create a reel. Okay. Let's go. We are very. See how hot it is. Fuck. Oh. Relax. Full zombie apocalypse type vibe. Like overgrown and all. You really. The fuck? Wait. Safe to come? Let's go. No. I thought I heard something. What the fuck? Come, brother. What?
There are human
Oh shit.
bottles, slippers.
These are water slippers.
Go.
There might be of some labor who made this.
Brother, it's a beer bottle.
Come.
Oh gosh. What the fuck?
Please, yeah. Otherwise, cold drink get hotter.
Oh, we have to drink cold drink. Yes. Let's go.
Let's do.
Brother, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling cooked, man.
Huh?
Oh, kitchen place is पहली बार है मैंने देखा kitchen का मामला भी है.
Kitchen place? What? Something there? Wait.
Carpet.
Carpet?
Some.
What the fuck? Carpet? There is carpet right there. Guys, we're taking a little break. We will continue after a short period. Wait. So hello guys, we are just taking a refreshment break here. We have cold drinks and some chairs. So we are going to break 10 to 20 minutes and then we are going back to our homes. Okay? It's not end of the video. Just wait. We are going to show you how we are going out. So just stay with us. Okay? Let's go guys. Break khatam. We are going back. We have decided to go a little more further. After that we are back to home.
Building is jump and going.
The fuck? EMF meter. Now we are going to open EMF meter to see.
Guys, we are going down.
Hook.
Yes, we are going down.
Ungli wala hook.
मेरे बालों क्या हाल रखा है. Very bad here today, guys.
Oh, now we have opened the EMF meter and it's a genuine. We have checked it. So if we get into reading, let's see what happened. He's the one to run fast. He's the first to run. We get a reading. Let's go. It's just neutral right now. This side.
Yeah. Now we are on next spot. That spot is placed in middle of that ruins. But for that I think we jump from the building's windows because there are no route.
You have to take a leap.
If we take routes that made for travel, they are all like that. This is the official route to travel between buildings, but there is no space to travel. So we jump from there and or maybe so somewhere else, go to safe, or maybe not. We need to no. We are some चुलबाज लड़के.
चलवाज लड़के रख दो. जो क्या है भाई, मेरे पिछवाड़े में
क्या है
आएगा.
इधर? पीछे क्या थे?
फोन.
Oh, sorry.
ऐस में EMF मीटर लगा रहे हो. मेरी ऐस.
I got a full red
भाई
meter.
मेरी ऐस पैरानॉर्मल है. Some ghost in my ass.
Wait. Did you see that?
Okay.
Surya, brother? He jumped.
Yo.
He jumped, brother. Wait.
He always jumps.
Another blink. Hey, don't be fool. Wait. I got a blink. There's a freaking reading. Brother. There's no electricity. Brother, I got a reading here without anything. So, brother, come here. From where I have to come? Brother, let's see this. I got a reading here. Let's go. I don't know. See. Now don't go to reading. No, I still got some more reading. See? No reading here. Now that's getting a little creepy. Jump. Another Parker area. I don't know what reading was that.
And now I take over that. My phone? Come. Everything is fair, brother. No. Udi Baba. Okay. Take.
Thank you. Check it. I got a reading inside. A small yellow.
Hold on.
I don't know how, but there's a reading. We were chill as fuck. Now we are fucked. All good?
Take my phone, please.
Give me.
Take.
Never open the meter. Take it. Your phone.
No. We are really tired.
Yeah.
But we take one break.
So you've taken a 10-minute break. Now we are going back. Show me the meter.
But path is clear.
There is no electricity and I don't know how I'm getting a reading here.
We go there or not?
I think so not.
So, to top. Zoom.
What the fuck is this? No reading. And if you don't believe it, show me your phone. Let me show them that it's a real EMF meter. See, it's working. So it's real, and I don't know how I get a reading inside. So we are pausing for a minute, then we will continue.
Bro,
Yes.
unfortunately we are stop our hunt because we get some reading out of nowhere. Like this is a minimum.
Let me sure.
This is a.
See,
You can see also we take.
we are getting a little bit reading. See, only here, not on the other areas. See, we got Vincel. Just a further back. We got, but wait. I don't know why, but readings are coming and going back. There is something, so just we are going back
But
now.
we are not paranormal investigator,
Yeah.
so we leave for our safety.
We are going back.
So, I think our hunt is over.
Let's go back.
Unfortunately, but it is.
Let's go. From where? Let me switch the camera. So guys, as you see, there is sudden reading, so we have to go back now as fast as possible. We have to jump back without any stop. We are going back. So guys, we are going back to somewhere we came. Just because of the freaking reading. And we are also tired now. Oi, oi, oi. There's a fucking suicide room. And a fucking suicide room. Wait. Oh shit. We haven't done something illegal. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Holy shit. What we have seen, I don't know. I feel what the fuck, tapes and all. We have to leave fast. Yes, brother, no, we have to go. We did not. I don't know how we saw this. Oh, so we are on the wrong building, brother. Now why have changed? Completely changed. Something. There's freaking clothes and all stuff. Now we have to just run our back. I don't know how. Being here and we're freaking fucked. We all are scared after seeing that rope hanging on clothes, tapes and all. What? You're again fucked? We are literally fucked. Shit. Shit. Shit.
Left, right, mark that. There have a place.
You're fucked. After that rope, the vibe has completely freaking changed. Something else. What the fuck? Give me. We have to be extra careful, brother. After seeing these type of things. After seeing these type of things. Now we are really for that this is right. He is scared, I am scared, we all are scared.
इसी वाले से एग्जिट करते हैं छोटा सा रास्ता है लेकिन
What do you mean छोटा सा रास्ता है, brother?
हाँ
There's a ditch. Brother.
I think
No.
stop first I go ये फिर
We are fine. Come, brother, from this side. This side. Come from that. We are fucked. We are lost.
कमिंग यार क्या मैं तो कम करने वाला
Coming. What are you? Brother, I'm scared after seeing that thing. So don't do that kind of harkat. Take this.
Hello.
Show me. Coming. This is a fucking people ka पेड़. Fucking fee.
ये कहाँ गया?
There is a ditch right here. See how we are traveling right now. Whether you both are wearing full sleeves. I am in a freaking half sleeves. Fuck, man. What to do?
We have to go down there. The line, stay low.
Stay low.
The rule 1 is stay low. Rule 2, you follow the first rule.
Rule 3, be quiet.
Rule 3, shut the fuck up.
I am fucked. Brother, we wait for me. Finally some place. Okay, but after seeing that, I'm why they're completely changed. Can't even say. Ninja.
Brother.
We are fucked. Nice one. Hold mine also. For easy path, where camera? For easy path, we climbed this building and go from the roof to roof for the final building, and then we come down and then the exit. Maybe. That's also. We are freaking lost, Brian. We are freaking lost. Again, we have to climb top. I see some injections. Oh shit, man. Shit, man. Beware of the needles. What you are not supposed to see, so. Brother, don't just follow the route. We are not stooping. My knee is fucked. Oi. There's a road. Brother, my knee is fucked. I am old. I don't know. Brother, there is a freaking road. Come. We need to cross path. That's building, and that's the end. Let's go. That building's end.
Then roof चलेंगे.
Come. Just we have to be low all the time because of the freaking road. Because of the freaking injections. Bring up that rope. We are fucked. Now see here. आदमी लोग हैं वहाँ पे. Wait. There's a freaking sound right here. Throw something. We can't take a risk.
घुस जाओ सीधा भाग के.
Up there.
हाँ बस.
Don't stop.
Go. चल ड्रैगन नहीं आया.
Oh, fucked. I am fucked. Surya.
क्या हुआ?
I am fucked.
देख उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
पता नहीं क्या हुआ.
इसका यार मुंह कर ले जल्दी बैठ के.
तो यहाँ से रास्ता देखो यार. मुझे कितनी यार.
अरे रुक जा थोड़ा. हो गया सो रहा है. हो गया.
अरे
थोड़ा मूव कर लेना. खड़े होके एक टांग ऐसे फोल्ड करके मूव कर ले.
I'm fucked. या तो मुझे पार करके जबरदस्ती जाना पड़ेगा. I'm fucked. My knees hurt. I'm fucked. I'm literally fucked. Don't worry. We are completely lost. I find the route. Wait. I need a rest for 5 minutes. I am fucked up. Oh, my knee. Fucked. We have don't worry. We have to go from here only. बहुत नीचे भाई. वापस. या तो इसको तोड़ो. वापस. Coming, brother, coming.
The beer. How deep?
Very deep.
I'm not talking about your asshole. I am literally fine. I will try my best.
I don't think so.
इधर देखो भाई जी इधर.
हाँ कूदो कूदो
कूदू.
कूद बैठ जाइयो फुल बैठ जा
Sit and jump. Nice. Now यार. Again झाड़ियाँ.
इसी में चढ़ना यार
How bad? How?
चढ़ना है
We just. मतलब we take a one round.
ओह ओए उधर रास्ता है थोड़ा सा उधर थोड़ी सी
चलेगा जंगल पार कर गई
Go.
झाड़ियों के
नीचे भी देख के चलना है.
या ओए फ्रूट
Oh, stop. Let's we find a route. Be careful, but. We are frog.
ओए ओए पिट बहुत गहरी है ध्यान से
पिट बहुत गहरी है
हाँ यहाँ से बहुत गहरी मिट्टी नहीं रखी
All this
देख लियो वी आर लिविंग कुक
Hit.
बैठने के बाद पता लगेगी
आगे कूदो आगे आगे
हट तो सही.
पैर आ जाएगा इस पे
Done it.
पकड़ ये इसको देख
Dash. Sit there. Then put fun life here. Spider-Man. If I can, you can also. Finally, we have found our way back. Finally, finally. Now we are not fucked. Fast.
लॉन्ग जंप
We will do it. Hold this fast. Oh, freaking dog. Last part है यार कुत्ते को.
पीछे पड़ गया
Surya, beware of dog again. Oh shit.
धीमा आराम से कुछ नहीं होगा
मतलब छत्ता इधर चल.
आराम से चलो
Here is a fucking. We have done enough parkour today. Fast. The beehive there.
सांप भी कहेंगे भयंकर है हमने इतना खौफ फैलाया ये मारे थे इंसान सूर्य
Come.
Wait.
Everyone is tired except me. I'm not tired. That much tired. I'm not that much tired. So
What the fuck
Why?
is happening?
what the oh sorry, camera is flickering.
Why but?
Don't know. Climb the roof and then wait. Climb the roof, wait, take a short break and then go.
Oh shit. Yeah, fucked up.
On
We are taking a little break.
yo. Yes, we are on track.
We are on track.
Yeah.
Let's go. We finally find a path.
On last meeting we take a break.
Yes. Oof. We are fucked, man. We are on track. Let's go. Want to say something, brother? Want to say something?
I'm speechless, guys. Absolute cinema.
We are taking a break, then we'll continue. Bye. Guys, we are on a roof from there is a freaking police car right there, so we have to be down and freaking down, and we have to do it fast now. Quick. I have injured my knee, but we have to do quickly now. There is a freaking dogs, police, and we were lost. Full on climax. Oh fuck. Whether you will also remember this. Okay?
Yep.
So don't tell me. And I will always. That do motherfuckers brought you here. We are taking a break. Okay, bye. Guys, finally we have found a way. And I'm fucking injured. I've hurt my knee. I've stabbed by a bunch of spikes, freaking spikes. And now finally we are on track. Why the fuck it hurts so bad? I'm fucking hurt here. So we are finally out from where we have started. So guys, please do subscribe our channel. We both our channel, Project Urbex and Mr. Explorer. We will see you in next videos. We are coming with bangers. We are going next week again some places. So do subscribe our channel. We are a little bit out. Let me wait. I'm fucking injured. I am having a pain. I have to inspect it again. What? Yeah. Did you all hear this? Brother, did you hear any noise? I heard. Suresh, so sorry. Brother. What the fuck? I am fucked, man. Wait. Finally we are out, brother. Finally. Finally we are out. Let's give her an outro, brother. Freaking bye. We will be back again if we get 1,000 likes. We will meet again. Guys.
We will meet again, brother.
You are literally fucked. You were lost and all that. Bye. Meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe Mr. Explorer. Subscribe Project Urbex. Yo. It is soon, guys. Bye.